Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Al, the owner and founder of TICKR Finance and TICKR Apparel, where our mission is to close the wealth gap in the United States with crypto assets and dope fashion. To learn more, you can visit www.tickerapparel.com, where four of our premium t-shirts are currently available. And by making a purchase of one of the t-shirts, you'll receive 10% of the gross sale back in the form of Satoshis sent to you via a link from Coinbase. So make sure you enter in your email address correctly and accurately so you can receive your Satoshis. We definitely want you to be able to receive those. So we are the only crypto channel and finance channel on YouTube with such a admirable and fantastic mission. So I'm excited. I appreciate you guys showing the love. I hope you're excited. And we'll go ahead and really jump right into the reason that you came, which is what the heck is up with Bitcoin and where is it headed? So we'll get into. I don't think I set my screen share up, so I have to share my screen, and we will look at the Bitcoin chart now. I think you guys can see it. Real quick, I typically record my videos in batches, so you guys will see several videos where I'm wearing the same thing, and that's part of this one. Again, this particular hat and the matching ticker polo, the matching ticker golf shirt with the 5 panel vintage hat are prototypes. They are not available on the website at the moment, but if you guys like them, let me know. Uh, mention that down in the comments. Let's run that up. If you guys like it, then we could look at sending that to a more mass kind of production and getting it up on the website. So, uh, yeah, so we'll talk about Bitcoin here. And as you guys can see, I won't move around the chart much, but I'll break down all the colors and the lines that you see. So you're going to see a green line. Well, you're going to see, if you're looking on the right side of your screen, let me change. I'm going to go try to blow that up a little bit more. So if you're looking at the right side of your screen, you see kind of the color blocks with the numbers in them. The green number is what Bitcoin, is that what? It's close to what Bitcoin is trading at right now. It's a little bit off, as you guys can see over at the top left. It shows Bitcoin is trading about 40,000. Right there it says 42,000. So that's not completely accurate, but for the sake of this conversation, we want to look at the purple, the blue, and the red. The purple line is the 50-day moving average, 47,700. The blue line is the 200-day moving average, 32,719. And the red line is the 200-day moving average, which is basically $20,000. This chart is a 5 year. I think I have it at 5 years. Let me double check. I think it's a 5 year chart. Is it five? Okay, it's five now. Okay, now it updated. You guys see where everything is. Numbers are a little bit different from kind of what I quoted, but you guys can see what it's showing. So the question is, where's Bitcoin headed? Right now, we've been trading in a range. You guys can see we crashed through the 50-day moving average, which is the purple line, back at end of last year, beginning of this year. We haven't hit the support of the 33,000, so we're just kind of in limbo, which is still for me a bearish signal. I can't get completely confident until we get breakout and get back above the purple line. So right now, Bitcoin is still susceptible to drop to about 33,000, 34,000, 33,900. Let's just call it 34,000. So it's still susceptible to drop to 34,000. At that particular point, that may be an opportunity to buy because that's the 100-day moving average over 5 years. It's been my experience in just kind of simple technical analysis. This has been pretty accurate. Now, again, that's a potential buying opportunity. I personally won't be coming in right at that moment because it could definitely crash down through there just the way it did on the 50-day moving average. Had you bought it, if you look, we had a pump fake. If you're looking at the 50-day moving average, that purple line, let me see if I can kind of circle what's going on without messing the chart up. So if you guys are looking right here, it hit the purple line and then it bounced. It was basically a pump fake, and then we went down through the 50-day moving average. So you want to be careful, especially if you're trying to put on a sizable investment. Uh, if it hits the 100-day moving average, which is 34,000, if it's a pump fake and then we go down through that, then you're gonna get your feelings hurt pretty bad. So just some things to look into and take into consideration. Real quick, I have to mention, of course, that this is not investment advice. Please consult a financial advisor for investment advice. And if you want to know exactly where to put your money, I'm just giving you guys some information. In my opinion, it is not advice. So I have to throw that disclaimer out there. So you guys don't come back and get mad at me based on some information that you heard on the channel. Again, this is just my opinion and my opinions alone. So, are we going to 100K? Or are we going to 20K? I don't. I don't know. It's not looking good for 100K. But we go all the way to 20. I don't know. Again, if we break through the 33,000, the 34,000, we're probably going to 20. You got to keep your eyes on the Ukraine situation. That's going to be really important to all markets, just not the crypto market, stocks, equities, everything, because it doesn't appear that Vladimir Putin intends on being or playing nice with the people of Ukraine. And if it requires the Western world, the UK, the United States, the allied organizations, the NATO countries, or the I forgot the other name of the G10 or whoever they are. If these allies get involved and come at Russia, then all bets are off. Unfortunately, in terms of where this thing is going to land and how long it's going to be drawn out. So that's extremely important to take note of. But right now, Bitcoin, it could drop. It's dropped down to 35, 37, something like that, and then it'll have a run back to 40, 41, 42. And so it's just been trading in this range, in this band. So if it's doing that, that could be a positive sign, and this could be coiled and primed for a huge, huge pump. Uh, it could equally fall more to the downside. So it's difficult to say exactly where it's going to land. My opinion is, and I hope that I'm wrong, but we may be a little bit more likely to see the 20,000 number before we see the $100,000 number. But that just all depends. I like that it's holding pat here, that it's not continuing to decline. So that's a strong thing. But again, we got to watch out for the geopolitical issues. We got to watch out for what's going on in inflation. A lot of concerns, a lot of uncertainty out there in the market. And generally speaking, when you have a lot of uncertainty, then that could, impact most markets negatively. So I don't think crypto will be much different from that perspective. When people have a lot of questions and there's not a lot of answers, people typically tend to sell their assets and go to cash and then just wait till they can figure some things out or understand what's going on a little bit better. So that's what's going on with Bitcoin, guys. We got right to it. That's a relatively short video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Again, are we going 100K or 20K? I'm more prone to say we'll probably see 20K before the 100K, but I could be completely wrong with that. And hopefully I am. I certainly don't want to be Dr. Gloom and Doom. I know everybody loves a good pump story, and this didn't end up being that. So, with that being said, man, what I need y'all to do, y'all see the banner at the bottom. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell as well, so you are made aware when new content has dropped. And so again, I need you to go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you found this information valuable, it costs you absolutely nothing to do it, and it helps the video get out a little bit more to people like yourself who want to learn more about crypto in a cool, dope way from a channel with the coolest mission on the planet. So, yeah, man, that's all I really got, guys. I again appreciate the love and support. And if you have any questions, concerns, drop those down in the comments. And until the next video, Peace and blessings. I'm out. Y'all take care. It's love.